Turning now to a trial taking place in Boise, Idaho, with ties back here to the Valley. It's day 2 of testimony in Lori Vallow Daybell's weeks-long murder trial, and it's already taken an unexpected turn. The alleged doomsday cult mom is accused of killing her 2 kids, Tylee and J.J., who used to live in the Valley.
She hasn't said anything publicly about the case, but certain testimony today made her so emotional that she asked to leave the courtroom. Team 12's Erica Stapleton is live in Idaho with what happened next. Erica.
Hey guys, first I do want to warn you that some of the evidence detailed in my report tonight is disturbing, and apparently Lori Vallow Daybell felt the same way, because this afternoon her attorneys asked the judge if she could be excused from the courtroom for the afternoon portion of the testimony. The judge said no. Lori Vallow Daybell apparently overcome with emotion after hearing testimony about her children's shallow graves and seeing images of her son J.J. Vallow's remains Tuesday morning. After the lunch break, she appeared visibly upset, and her attorney asked the judge if Lori could leave the courtroom for the afternoon testimony, pointing out her, quote, fragile state of mind, saying she did not want to attend. But the judge denied that request and ordered Lori to stay in the courtroom.
How are you guys?
The main witness on the stand today, Detective Ray Hermosillo with Rexburg Police, from the eastern part of Idaho, where Lori, her husband Chad, and brother Alex are accused of killing her kids Tylee and J.J.
I recognize.
We've heard from Hermosillo before, almost 3 years ago in August 2020, during a preliminary hearing for Chad Daybell. In court Tuesday, he testified to searching Lori's Idaho apartment in November 2019, seeing no sign of the kids, but finding guns, ammo, and, quote, preparedness bags in Lori's garage. The jury also saw the last photos of Tylee and J.J. alive from September 2019, found on Lori's iCloud account. And later, Hermosillo testified to unearthing J.J. and Tylee's bodies months later in June 2020 in Chad Daybell's backyard. He described finding J.J.'s body in plastic bags wrapped in duct tape and Tylee's charred remains buried on the property. J.J.'s grandfather, Larry Woodcock, back in the courthouse again.
It's going to be a hard day, I think.
Despite the troubling testimony that brought him to tears. One of the biggest questions now is whether Lori will take the stand when it's time for her defense team to present their evidence. Her attorneys haven't indicated one way or another, but Larry Woodcock,
I hope she does.
even though after all this time, her words mean very little to him.
I don't know what she is.
Larry Woodcock left pretty quickly today, and quietly. He usually does talk to the media, but not today after that emotional testimony. And I do want to point out that this is the very first time that we've really seen Lori look upset. Usually she sits stoically in court. In other hearings in the past, we've sometimes seen her smile or giggle, but this is the only time that I've seen, personally at least, her looking this way. But again, the judge did order that she has to sit through all the testimony, which continues tomorrow, again with Detective Ray Hermosillo. We're live in Boise tonight. Erica Stapleton, 12 News.